Good morning, viewers. Well, I'm excited today because I've ordered some Nike Dunkin Donuts Airmax 90s online. I've been looking for these shoes for a while. Yep, the Dunkin Donuts edition has been available for a while now, since May 24. And sometimes I've seen them at some crazy prices, like these, 278 euros. No thanks. I found some in the sale at Lazada for just over $40. 2,456 pesos. Good deal if you ask me. I've got some Air Max 90s, and they're the most comfortable shoe you'll ever buy. In fact, they're a work of art. It's made with plastic, rubber, suede, fake leather, nylon mesh. And let's see what I've got here. This is ordered from Nike, so they're definitely original. Mabilis at Lazada? Not really, it was a day late. Size 10 Air Max 90s. Nothing else is written on the box. And I hope it's not a stone inside. No, it's definitely not a stone. And look at those. They're beauties, aren't they? The pink and the orange from the Dunkin Donuts colours. They pop out straight away. This front toe orange. It's got the waffle sole. And the air unit inside there. The black mudguard, the orange air unit, and I love the pink rubber number plate. That's so cool. So that's the Nike Airmax 1990 Dunkin Donuts edition. There's only one place to take these. You guessed it, Dunkin Donuts. For a nice coffee and a sugar raised donut. What better place to show off my trainers? So thanks for watching, guys, and don't forget to subscribe.